Part 1 Introduction. From the moment the woman child is first conceived to the day the individual dies, they keep changing constantly and developing. While some of the changes women undergo are as a result of chance, incidents, and personal choices, the vast majority of life changes and stages the woman passes through are due to certain common biological and psychological factors, partly inherited and partly environmental, and are shared by all people. This block consists of 4 units with various themes. Unit 1 deals with the development concept, lifespan perspective, methods of studying, and its characteristics. As the women grow up from one stage to another stage, they learn to make use of their body parts, learn how to express themselves and communicate with persons, learn how to maintain relationship with others, and how to love and care for others. Unit 2 deals with the prenatal development aspects. Prenatal development is the process in which an embryo or fetus gestates during pregnancy from the fertilization until birth. Often the terms fetal development are used in a similar sense. Most psychologists and members of the medical profession believed the most of the development takes place before birth. Development before birth takes place in the three stages or period, that is ovum, embryo, and fetus. Many factors are considered to understand the behavior of a developing child. Unit 3 deals with the physical, psychological, cognitive, and linguistic aspects of infancy period. Infancy period is defined as a state or period of being a infant. The first part of life, early childhood. This is the first period of life and it is very much sensitive period for a child. This period is start from 0 to 2 years. In this unit we are going to introduce to concept of infancy period and physical, psycho, social, cognitive and linguistic aspects of development. A child goes through the various stages in his full life such as infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood and lastly old age. This is the beginning period for a child and fastest period. Infancy period is defined in many areas. Some medical practitioners define as young child, but no specific age limits are placed. Some psychologists use the word infant in much the same way as members of the medical profession do. Infant is minor and struggling for reaching the stage of legal maturity. Unit 4 deals with the physical, psychological, cognitive, and linguistic aspects of early childhood period. Childhood begins when the infancy period is over, approximately 2 years of the age group. Childhood period is divided into two age group. Early childhood 2 to 6 years, late childhood 6 to the time the child becomes sexually mature. Early childhood period is called as a conclusion of the infancy period. The childhood enters in the preschool and forms a personality which is unique. The child's personality is absolutely individual.